Hey everybody, welcome to Kuroi Cooks. I appreciate you joining us. I've got a brand new knife that was sent to me by Edge of Belgravia over in the UK. This knife is a pre-order, but they sent it to me to show to my fans just in case you're interested in getting you one. And I mean to tell you, this thing looks fantastic. Check this out, folks. All right, here you go, folks. Kuroi Hana, this is their 7.5-inch chef's knife. This is Japanese steel. Let me open it up for you. Take a look at this, folks. This is gorgeous. There you go. Have you a nice look at that. Isn't that pretty? Let me tell you a little bit about it. So this is their chef's knife, like I mentioned, and they sell the full set for pre-order. Check out their website down below in the description box, and you can also save 10% for a limited time, folks. Just use the promo code KS10, and that'll save you 10% on your full order. But they sell the full set if you're interested, or they sell individual knives, whichever you'd rather. And if you weren't aware, the Kuroi Hana Chef Knife Collection is made from AUS 10 Japanese steel, folks. It's a contemporary design made by the London designer Christian Bird. The Kuroi Hana means black flower in Japanese, and the blade has a dark floral-like damascene pattern blade. Again, a gorgeous knife. Let's see how it cuts. All right, let's see how well this thing slices. Got some celery here. There we go. That like that. There we go. Seems to be cutting pretty doggone nice. Heck yeah, man. That looks good. There we go. Beautiful. Now, let's check out some bell pepper. Hopefully y'all can see that. Get that out of the way. Just gonna cut me a little wedge of it here. Awesome. There we go. And again, dice her up. Perfect. So, looking good for my house so far. Let's check out a tomato, folks. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Check that out, folks. Check that out. That is thin, man. So I can get another little thin one here. Yep, there you go. That's gorgeous, folks. I'm loving this. Only one thing left to try. Let me get all this out of here. Let's try cutting some meat. I've got some chicken here that I roasted in the oven. Let's cut that baby in half. There you go. Nice slice. Check that out, folks. That's really nice. Really nice, folks. So there you go. Hope y'all go check the website out in the link down below and get you one of these on pre-order, folks. And remember to use that promo code that I mentioned earlier. It's for limited time, so be quick about it. But that is one gorgeous knife, and it cuts fabulously. If y'all like seeing me do reviews and unboxings and stuff like that, y'all give me some thumbs up. If you're not subbed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Hope you share the video. And when you do, please tell all your friends that Kuroi cooks responsibly. Cheers, everybody.